Want to know how you can start making money online even if you have no experience? Then check this video out. Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about a few different methods that you can use to make money online even if you're a complete noob. And I know a lot of people are out of work right now. They're probably stressed out on how they're going to pay their bills, how they're going to make money. So that's why I'm making this video to show you a few different methods that you can use to make money online even as a beginner. Now, before I jump into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're someone who's interested in learning how to make money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just jump right into it. Now, this first method is a method that anybody who has a computer and an internet connection can start doing. And obviously, you need to be at least 18 years or older. So this method is going to be getting paid to test out different websites and apps. Now, a great website where you can get paid to test out websites and apps is called user testing. So basically, when you sign up, they're going to let you know what you need to do in order to start earning money, and they explain what the application process is about. So like I mentioned, you need to have a computer, an internet connection. You need to be able to download their testing software so you can test out the different websites and apps that you're going to be visiting. You're going to need to give your feedback on your experience when you go to those websites or apps. Now, this website is available in a lot of different countries. Now, as far as how much money you can make, they let you know right there on the website that it's not going to replace a full-time income. So that's why this is a method that most people can do if they have some free time on their hands. You'd be earning between $10 to $15 for every test that you start doing. That's going to be between 10 to 20 minutes long. And they do pay you out through PayPal. So this method is going to be more towards trading your time for money. Basically, you're doing an action, you're doing a service, and you're getting paid in exchange for that. So like I mentioned, this is probably the easiest one that you can get started with as a beginner, because basically you're just going to websites, testing them out, giving your feedback on them, and you're getting paid in exchange for that. Now, the second method that you can use to make money online as a beginner is selling print-on-demand t-shirts. Now, a great website where you can do this is called Teespring. So basically, if you're not familiar with what print-on-demand is, it's where you create your own merchandise. You just put a mock-up onto a t-shirt, a sweater, a coffee mug, a phone case, whatever you're going to be selling. You're going to put your design on that, and you're going to list it for sale. So this is a great way to get started with making money online if you have no money to invest. So when you create an account with Teespring and you start selling your merchandise, you're going to need to promote that merchandise so people know that you're selling shirts or whatever you're going to be selling. So what you can do is you can create a Facebook fan page. Let's say, for example, that you're going to be selling merchandise that's focusing around a certain niche. Let's say for people who love dogs. So you can create a t-shirt that says, "I love my dog," or "World's Best Dog Owner." And you can create a Facebook fan page that's going to be focusing on people who own dogs and who are interested in buying merchandise that has to do with dogs. So you can create a Facebook fan page all about dogs. You can upload memes about dogs. Maybe talk about different breeds of dogs and the behaviors that dogs have. Maybe share some tips on how to train your dog. And also link your Teespring store to the Facebook fan page. So people can purchase any of the merchandise that you're selling related to dogs if they're interested. Now, when it comes to how much money you can make selling your own print-on-demand merchandise, I mean, it all depends on you. It all really depends on how much you want to sell your merchandise for. So one thing that you have to consider when selling your merchandise is that you have to factor in the cost of what it takes to get that shirt or merchandise printed and shipped out to the customer. So let's say, for example, you're selling a t-shirt with a dog on it, and it's going to cost you $13 to have that shirt printed. So you're going to factor in your commission on top of that. So if you want to make $10 commission, you're going to have to sell that t-shirt for $23. And Teespring, they have like a little calculator so you can actually factor in how much it's going to cost you and how much money you're going to be making. So print on demand is going to be a passive way to start earning money online, because once you have a design onto a t-shirt or whatever merchandise that you're going to be selling, all you have to do is just focus on getting traffic to your Teespring store and just wait for people to buy your merchandise. You don't have to manually fulfill every order that comes in because it's all going to be done automatically. Now, the third method that I want to share in this video on how you can start making money online as a beginner is through affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link that's coded directly to you. So this is going to be called your affiliate link. Now, whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they buy whatever product that you're promoting, then you're going to earn a commission from that. Now, I'm not going to really go into too much detail about how affiliate marketing works because I created a series on how to get started with affiliate marketing for beginners, and I'll leave a link up here somewhere in the cards if you guys want to check that out. But I'll just quickly explain what you need in order to start becoming successful with affiliate marketing. Number one, you first have to pick a niche that you're going to be focusing on. Whatever niche that you're passionate about, I would recommend you go with that. You're going to pick a product that falls under that niche. So let's say, for example, that you're all into health and fitness. You like working out, you like eating healthy. You can pick a product that's related to health and fitness, maybe a weight loss product, and you can promote that as an affiliate. Then you're going to pick a platform that you're going to promote that product on, whether it's going to be YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, even TikTok, maybe your own podcast, a blog. Whatever platform that you're going to promote it on, you're going to create content that's going to be surrounding that niche, health and fitness. And then you can start to talk about the benefits of that particular product. Maybe that product would be suited for people who are trying to lose weight. You can promote that product on whatever platform that you're using. Well, that's basically the 3 different methods that I wanted to share in this video on how you can start making money online as a beginner. Like I mentioned, there's a lot more to affiliate marketing than I can pretty much explain in this video. So I'll leave the link for those that playlist if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing. Now, if you're somebody who wants to start your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, then I highly recommend checking out the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. Whether you had some success with making money online before, or you've never even made $1 online, this 15-Day Business Builder Challenge will guide you step by step on how to get your own online business started. Now, I just want to give you a quick disclaimer. I mean, it's not free, but it's only $7. So over the course of 15 days, you're going to learn the top business models that people are using that make them successful online. And it's going to also teach you about high-ticket affiliate marketing. So you can spend $7 on a cup of coffee, or you can spend $7 to get access to the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. So if you're somebody who wants to check that out, I'll leave that link in the top of the description of this video. Well, that's basically it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.